For years, we've blamed sugar for rising obesity, swapping sodas for diet drinks and desserts for fruit, yet waistlines keep expanding. If sugar isn't the only culprit, what else is fueling this epidemic? There's a hidden ingredient in nearly everything we eat: industrial seed oils. Extracted from seeds like soybean, corn, and sunflower, these oils have quietly taken over our food supply. Once promoted as heart-healthy alternatives to butter and lard, their use skyrocketed alongside obesity rates. Now, scientists are questioning whether this shift was a mistake. Could these oils be silently sabotaging our metabolism and weight? It's time to look beyond sugar and examine what's really in our frying pans. Let's uncover the story of seed oils and their surprising impact on our health. Seed oils, like soybean, canola, corn, and sunflower, are everywhere, often labeled as vegetable oil. Unlike olive oil or butter, these are modern, highly processed fats. They're in snacks, spreads, salad dressings, and even healthy foods like granola bars and plant-based milks. Why? They're cheap, flavorless, and extend shelf life, making them a food industry favorite. Government subsidies and public health campaigns against saturated fat made seed oils the default choice. As a result, we rebuilt our entire food system around them, often without realizing it. Today, avoiding seed oils means swimming against the current of modern eating, but understanding their prevalence is the first step to making better choices. Unlike olive oil, seed oils require intense industrial processing, high heat, pressure, and chemical solvents like hexane. The process damages delicate fats, creating harmful byproducts and stripping away nutrients. The result? A clear, flavorless oil that's far removed from its natural source. These oils are cheap and long-lasting, but their heavy processing raises health concerns. We're consuming fats that are already oxidized and prone to causing inflammation. This industrial journey may be setting the stage for chronic disease. Seed oils are loaded with omega-6 fats, especially linoleic acid. Our ancestors ate a balanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3. Today, it's wildly skewed. This imbalance fuels chronic inflammation, a root cause of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Excess linoleic acid can disrupt fat cells, making them hold onto fat and resist burning it for energy. It also interferes with hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, trapping us in a cycle of cravings and weight gain. The result, a metabolic trap that's hard to escape. The science is clear. What's in our oil matters as much as what's on our plate. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who followed all the healthy advice: low-fat spreads, lean meats, salads with light dressings. Yet her weight crept up and she felt constantly tired and bloated. After learning about seed oils, she realized they were hidden in nearly everything she ate. She swapped out seed oils for butter, coconut oil, and olive oil, focusing on whole foods. Within weeks, her bloating vanished, cravings faded, and she lost 8 pounds without counting calories. More importantly, her energy soared and her aches disappeared. Sarah's story shows that changing the type of fat you eat can transform your health. Sometimes the smallest change makes the biggest difference. Cutting out seed oils isn't easy, but it's possible with a few smart strategies. Start by reading every label. Seed oils hide in bread, snacks, sauces, and even chocolate. When eating out, ask what oil is used and request butter or olive oil when possible. Choose simple dishes: grilled meats, steamed veggies, and salads with olive oil and vinegar. Stock your kitchen with stable, traditional fats like butter, ghee, coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods: meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, and tubers. Cooking from scratch gives you control over what goes into your meals. It's a return to real food, and your body will thank you. The evidence is mounting. Industrial seed oils may be fueling our modern health crisis, but you have the power to make a change. Try a 30-day experiment. Eliminate seed oils, cook with traditional fats, and focus on whole foods. Track how you feel: energy, cravings, digestion, mood. For many, the benefits go far beyond weight loss, clearer thinking, less pain, and renewed vitality. If nothing changes, you can always go back. But you might discover a key to better health hiding in plain sight. Are you ready to take the challenge? Clear out the seed oils, bring back real food, and see what happens. Your body just might thank you.